Yes, current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. So where is current asset? How much is current asset? Do we require this non-current investment here? Is that required? It is not needed right now. Okay. So NCI is not required here. Then what else is not required? What else should we ignore here? Long-term borrowings, that is also not needed right now. So that is also excluded, ignored. Now find out current asset. How much is current asset? Current asset is equal to how much is current asset? Yes, Anjo, how much is current asset?
5 lakh.
5 lakhs. Current asset is 5 lakh. How did you get it? Current asset is equal to cash and bank 50,000 plus trade receivables 2 lakh plus current investment 50,000 plus inventory. How to get inventory? Here inventory, it includes loose tools 1 lakh. So inventory is 2 lakhs. That is 3 lakh minus 1 lakh will give you the value of inventory. So current asset is 5 lakh. And how much is current liability? Anila, how much is current liability? Irfan, how much is current liability?
2,50,000.
Current liability? Check which are the current liabilities here. We can take trade payable 1,50,000.
Short-term borrowings.
Short-term borrowings. Short-term borrowings 1 lakh. Okay, I missed out one figure. Add on short-term provisions also. Short-term provisions. Short-term provisions. Okay? Without that, your answer is right. Irfan. Short-term provisions, 50,000. Short-term provisions, 50,000. Yeah. So now it became 3 lakhs. 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50,000. So current liability is 3 lakh. So how much is the ratio? Current ratio is equal to 5:3. That you can bring it into the shortest form. Okay. So the current ratio is 1.66 is to 1. Am I right? Are you getting it? One 1.66 is to 1. Now, what is the ideal current ratio? Ideal current ratio is 2 is to 1. Ideal current ratio is equal to 2 is to 1. That is, current assets should be twice the current liabilities. 2 is to 1. Current assets should be twice current liability. So, how do you conclude about this ratio? 1.66 is to 1. Is that good or bad? It is not that good, but still it's good. Okay, 1.66 is to 1. Ideal CR is 2 is to 1, and we have found out our calculated CR is 1.66 is to 1. Okay, have you completed this, everyone? Now the next question. Question number 2. Total assets is equal to 8 lakh. Total assets is equal to 8 lakh. Fixed assets is equal to 5,40,000. Non-current investment. Non-current investments 1,10,000. Shareholders fund. I request everybody to keep the videos on. Shareholders fund is equal to 6 lakhs. Non-current liability. Non-current liability. Non-current liability 80,000. Yes, 80,000. Calculate CR. CR. Calculate CR. Now, when you get all these figures, the balance sheet items are given to you. Total asset, fixed asset, non-current investment, all that. So, it is better for you to prepare a balance sheet as a working note. Okay? Working note. And when you do it as a working note, it is not required to go for the Schedule 3 Part 1 format. You may go for the normal horizontal one. Balance sheet. This is just for our convenience. Okay, it is just the working note. So you may write it like this. If you are comfortable the other way around, okay, go for that. So what is given to you? Non-current investment. That is non-current asset. Non-current investment is given to you. How much is that? Non-current investment 1,10,000. First, we'll write non-current asset. Non-current asset is there. Fixed assets is there. Okay. First, we'll write fixed asset. Non-current asset is equal to, that is a fixed asset, 5,40,000. Then Non-current investment is there. How much is that? 1,10,000. Okay. Anything else there? Total assets are given to you. Total asset is here down 8 lakh. This is just the working note. Okay, 8 lakh. Coming to the liability side, what you have? Shareholders fund. The first item is always the shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. 6 lakh. Correct? 6 lakh. Then what else? Reserves and surplus is there? No. Total asset, fixed asset. Okay. Non-current liability. Non-current liability is given to you 80,000. Okay. This much data is given to you. So the total asset side total is given 8 lakh, and that itself is the total of liability also. Okay. So we have the totals. Now, how do you find current asset and current liability? Now it's easy. Asset side already 5 lakh 40 and 1 lakh 10 is there. That is your non-current assets. So that becomes how much? 6 lakh 50,000. 6 lakh 50,000. This is 6 lakh 50,000. So 8 lakh minus 6 lakh, 8 lakh minus 6 lakh 50,000 will give you current asset. Current asset. That will be 1,50,000. Okay. And similarly, in the liability side, 6,80,000 is there. So find the difference. The total liability minus 6,80,000, that will give you the current liability 1,20,000. Now calculate. So this is the way you get current asset and current liability. So when you draw the balance sheet and do, it will be easy for you. Okay. So how much is current ratio? Current ratio is equal to CA by CL, and that is equal to 1,50,000 divided by 1,20,000. Please tell me the answer fast. Yes, Aparna, how much is it? You got it?
1.25.
Yes. 1.25. 1.25 is to 1. So, how do you conclude it? What is your interpretation about this? What is the ideal ratio? Ideal ratio is 2:1. And how about this ratio? Is it a good one?
No.
No, it is not a good one. Ideal ratio is 2:1, and this is only 1.25:1, so it is not a good ratio. Everybody completed? Okay, Aditya? Completed? If not completed, please tell me. Otherwise, let me move to the next question. Okay, let's do the question number 3. Take down. Question number 3. Working capital 6 lakh. Working capital 6 lakhs. Trade payables. Trade payables 1,80,000. 1,80,000. Other current liabilities. Other current liabilities. 20,000. Yeah, that's all. So what is CR? CR, how much is that? So working capital, how to find working capital? What is the formula to find working capital? Working capital is equal to, what is it, Anila? Working capital? No, you're not audible. Okay, working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability, minus current liability. Okay, so what is current asset? Do you find current asset here? Is there current asset in the question? No, there is no current asset. So we need to find out current asset, and what else is given to you? Do you have the current liability? Do you have current liability? Trade payables is current liability and other current liability is current liability. Both are current liability. So current liability is equal to 1,80,000 plus 20,000. How much is that? 2 lakh. Okay. Then working capital is given to you. So working capital 6 lakh is given, is equal to 6 lakh is equal to current asset minus current liability. We found out current liability 2 lakh. So how much is current asset? How much is the current asset? Aditya, in the earlier problem, the current ratio was 1.25, not 1.45. Okay. And if it is 1.45, you cannot say it is a good one. It is not that good. That is how you conclude. Okay. Okay, clear, no? Okay. Then, yeah, how much is the current asset?
8 lakh.
8 lakh. 6 lakh plus 2 lakh, you get 8 lakh. You get it 8 lakh. Okay. So now you have current asset and current liability. So find out current ratio quickly. Current ratio is equal to 8 lakh divided by 2 lakh. How much is it? Keep the video on. Okay. Prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. That is 10,000. Working capital. Working capital 60,000. Yeah. How do you find it? We need both current ratio as well as liquid ratio. Liquid assets 75,000, inventory 35,000, including loose tools 20,000, prepaid expense 10,000, working capital 60,000. So CR, current ratio is equal to CA by CL. And liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets or quick assets divided by CL. This is how it is. Okay. Do you have CA? Do you find CA in the question? Liquid asset is there. Inventory, prepaid expense, working capital. Do you have CA? No, you don't find CA. And how about liquid asset? You have liquid asset as well as working capital. Liquid asset is given to you. Working capital is also there. So let's try doing it from there, finding out from there. Okay. So liquid asset, yeah. Liquid asset is equal to, liquid asset is equal to, liquid asset is equal to
Current asset minus
current asset minus
inventories.
IPA. Yeah, inventory, prepaid expense, advance tax. Good. Liquid asset is equal to CA minus IPA. Okay, so how much is liquid asset? Liquid asset you have 75,000. 75,000 is equal to CA is not there minus, do you have I? Yes, I is there. So how much is I? I means the inventory. How much is I? Is it 35,000? No, no. It includes loose tools. So that should be deducted, removed. So that becomes 35 minus 20, 15,000. 15,000 plus prepaid expense is also there, 10,000. Okay, inventory, it is clearly given, it includes loose tools. So remove this loose tools from inventory. That is the value of inventory and it is 15,000. Prepaid expense 10,000. So 75,000 is equal to CA minus 25. So how much is CA? CA is equal to
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Very good. 1 lakh. CA. So we got CA. So here we have CA 1 lakh. Similarly, find out CL now. How do you find CL? We can find CL with the help of working capital. Working capital is equal to CA minus CL. So working capital is given to you 60,000 equal to CA, we got it now, 1 lakh minus CL. So how much is CL?
40,000.
40,000. CL is 40,000. Very good. So now find out CR and LR. Yes. So we got CL also. Now do it and tell me how much is CR and CL. I'm sorry, CR and LR. If completed, give the answer in the chat box or say the answer. Unmute and say the answer. How much is CR? How much is CL? Please practice these questions because the same question can be asked and you will have to pick up the right answer from the options. How much is CR? CR is equal to 1 lakh divided by 40,000 and LR is equal to, how much is LR? 75,000. 75,000 divided by 40,000. Those who got the answer, please tell me. Nobody completed doing? How much is the answer, Karthik?
2.5:1.
That is current ratio 2.5:1. Okay. LR? Yes, LR. Karthik, how much is LR?
1.87.
Yes, 1.87:1. Okay. And I forgot to mention the ideal ratio of liquid ratio. Ideal liquid ratio is 1:1. Ideal liquid ratio. Ideal LR is 1:1. So current ratio is a good one, 2.5:1. And LR is also, LR is a little problem. 1.87:1. It is not that good, slightly risky. Okay, completed, everyone? The next question. Current liability. This is question number how much? 3, 4, 5. Is it 5? Yes. Current liability is equal to 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Current ratio is given 3:1. Liquid ratio is given 1.75:1. You need to find out current asset, liquid asset, inventory. Find out 3 items. Current asset, liquid assets, and inventory. Find out. Did you all take down the question? Yes? Take down the question. On Saturday, we will be discussing the sample question paper of accountancy and banking. Okay? SQP of the board, the sample question paper from CBSE. So, all of you should have your question paper with you. Saturday, we will be doing it. Has everyone taken down the question? I hope so. Aditya, not over?
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay. So, I wind up the session now. See you in the next session. Try to complete this question. Okay?